15th February 2022, The Hindu editorials word list. The first word is FALTER, falter. FALTER, falter. Falter means lose strength or momentum. Lose strength or momentum. In that sense, we use falter. FALTER, falter. And this is a verb, that is falter. FALTER, falter. And the synonyms of falters are hesitate, oscillates, fluctuate, wavers, vacillates, etc. These are the synonyms of falter. FALTER, falter. Then resilience, RESILIENCE, resilience. Resilience means the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties or toughness. In that sense, we use resilience, RESILIENCE, resilience. Okay, and the synonyms of resilience are flexibility, durability, strength, adaptability, etc. Okay, so the synonyms of resilience are flexibility, durability, strength, adaptability, etc. These are the synonyms of resilience. Okay, next, intensive, INTENSIVE. Intensive means concentrated on a single subject or into a short times, that are very thorough or vigorous. Okay, in that sense we use intensives. And the synonyms of intensive are thorough, concentrated, serious, vigorous, etc. Okay, then recede, RECEDE, recede. Recede means go or move back or further away from its previous positions. Okay, recede means go or move back or further away from a previous positions. And the synonyms of recedes are retreat, go down, withdraw, fall back. These are the synonyms of recedes. And the antonyms of recedes are advance and approach. These two are the opposite words of recede, RECED, recedes. Then decipher, DECIPHER, decipher. Decipher is a verb word whose meaning is convert a text written in code or a coded signals into a normal language. Okay, something convert into a normal language which is written in code or coded signals. In that sense we use decipher, DECIPHER, decipher. And the synonyms of deciphers are decode, solve, translate, explain. These are the synonyms of decipher, DECIPHER, deciphers. Next word is nascence, NASCENT, nascence. NASCENT, nascence is a adjective words which the meaning of this word is just, especially of a process or organizations which is coming into existence and beginning to display sign of future potentials. Okay, nascence means just coming into existence and beginning to display signs of future potentials. And the synonyms of nascence are developing, growing, evolving, emergence, rising, etc. Okay, these are the synonyms of nascence. Okay, propel, PROPEL, propel. Propel means drive or push something forwards. Drive or push something forwards. In that sense we use propel, PROPEL, propel. And the synonyms of propels are move, drive, launch, thrust. These are the synonyms of propel. Then insipid, INCIPID, insipid. INSIPID, insipid. INSIPID, insipid means lacking flavors or weak और tasteless, जो कि फीका और बेस्वाद कहा जाता है. Okay, insipid. And the synonyms of insipids are tasteless, flavorless, unpalatable, UNPALATABLE, unpalatables. These are the synonyms of insipid, 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 insipid. And the meaning of insipids is lacking flavor, weak or tasteless. Then recalibrate, RECALIBRATE. Recalibrate means रिकैलिब्रेट समथिंग अगेन और डिफरेंटली, पुनः जांचना, उसी के सेंस में रिकैलिब्रेट को यूज किया जाता है, दैट इज रिकैलिब्रेट, RECALIBRATE, रिकैलिब्रेट। देन चिमनी, CHIMNEY, चिमनी एक नाउन वर्ड है जिसका अर्थ ए फनेल और डिस्चार्जिंग स्मोक फ्रॉम ए फैक्ट्री, ओके, और स्मोक स्टैक्स जो कि फैक्ट्री में लगा हुआ होता है, एक स्मोक स्टैक को चिमनी कहा जाता है, CHIMNEY, चिमनी। ओके, थैंक यू।